One question that a lot of agency owners ask us is how are we able to deliver results for clients consistently? My name is Kevin Sanderson from My Amazon Guy, and we generate about $1.2 billion, yes, with a B, in sales on Amazon for our client. The hard part is when you have 400 clients and about 500 employees, how do you make sure that everyone is doing the things they need to do in order to provide those type of results? We don't just wing it. We actually give a strategy guide to our newest folks when they start out in the company. Actually, our brand managers and brand directors of all levels. And I'm going to share you behind the scenes how we make that happen. So let's show you our brand strategist playbook. So this is what we actually give to our folks internally to say, here's how you never run out of things to do for a client, and how you can deliver great results. So one of the things we have learned is we always want to focus on what is going to be the highest value activity. So for example, for advertising, that's always something that's really important. We want to focus on something that has the highest impact. So we like to call that critical impact. And then followed by that is high impact, and then medium impact, and then things that are lower impact. So we teach our folks when they come into the company, they may have little to no experience in Amazon, but we say, here's the things you should focus on. If you focus on the critical things, followed by the high value things, and then you can maybe go to pricing. You can go to merchandising and catalog management, to logistics, to competitor research. I've actually got quite a few things, to creatives, to other programs you can get involved in, learning acronyms, things of that nature. For example, let's say they're focusing on merchandising. Critical things they could do with catalog and inventory management is remarketing dead and banned products, fixing that. Looking for sales dips, we've got a checklist. So what are the things you should do? And we've got corresponding steps they can take, how that would benefit the client. So that way they always know how they can position this to their clients, as well as resources to help them figure out what to do. So this is how we're able to deliver results. So you might be saying to yourself, well, how do I deliver great results to my clients? You can either create your own strategy guide. Now, if you're thinking about like, how do I get my hands on what you just showed me there, Kevin? We do have that available. We will have a link in the description to our brand strategist playbook if you want to check that out. Otherwise, just make sure you really focus on what are those key activities that are going to give the best impact. Not just the things that like sound cool because someone said it in a video, but what are the things that are going to be what's going to bring the best return of investment of time and effort, because there's only so much time and effort that you and your team have to deliver for each client. So you want to give them the best bang for their buck, and that's going to give you the best results. Hope this was helpful. Love to know your thoughts. Again, my name is Kevin Sanderson from My Amazon Guy. Take care.